Hello and welcome to the Flipsite website builder. In this video, we're going to add a form to our corporate website. Let's start by going to our contact page and add a new section. We're going to use the pre-made form from the contact section. Let's tweak it a little bit to look more like what we want. I'll remove the header. The form looks good, but I want one additional field. I'll duplicate the phone number container with the title and the input. I'll change the title to Preferred Time to Contact, because I want people to tell me when they want to be contacted, because that's the kind of professional I am. Let's change it into a date field and change its ID and name. And because the native date field doesn't a placeholder, let's remove that. Now we can scroll up to the form and define how the form is going to behave when somebody clicks on Submit. You can use your custom actions, calling your own server, Zapier, your CRM, or whatever you want to handle the forms with. In this case, we're going to use the Flipsite built-in form handler. To do that, you just leave everything empty. Now let's configure our Flipsite default form handler. I'll add the email address where I want to get these emails sent. And I'll also tweak the thank you page a little bit. Finally, let's add Botpoison as a spam handling alternative. I like Botpoison because it doesn't require the user to click on CAPTCHA kind of questions, and it works better at removing spam. I've already configured my API keys underneath integrations for Botpoison. Then let's fill in the form to test it out and finally see where they end up in our Flipsite mini CRM. That's it. Now let's check out the submissions we've gotten through the form so far. You can view all submissions, and you can even change their status and handle all of them like tickets or like a mini CRM. We've now created a form that submits things to your CRM or your Flipsite mini CRM in 3 minutes. Now go ahead and try it out yourself. Flipsite is free to use and sign up, so head over to flipsite.io.